it's Megan with WTI, and a crunchy, spicy snack that I have really been digging lately are these crunchy edamame beans by the Only Bean. This flavor is Sriracha flavor, and if you're like me and you put Sriracha on almost everything, I think that you will really like this flavor. And I've tried roasting my own edamame beans in the past, and the results have been really sad. Nothing close to crunchy. But I'm so happy to say that that is not the case for these edamame beans at all. I don't know how they did it, but they achieved this perfect level of crunch. A bonus for me is that it has great protein and fiber content, and this helps to keep me full between meals. They're great for fueling me throughout my day, and when I'm just kicking back and having a break, I love to have a few of these crunchy edamame beans to snack on. I'm also a fan of the fact that they are great to take with me anywhere, since they don't need to be refrigerated or stored in any special way. These, the Only Bean crunchy edamame beans, are an awesome snack to have on hand, and I love to share them with my friends too. And that's my point of view.